Say hello to the RedMagic 10 Air as it is officially unveiled on April 9th, while it is expected to launch on April 16th. This is the company's lightest and thinnest full-screen flagship. There is no selfie camera punch hole at the top of the screen. So if you can't stand to look at your screen and see a black dot in the upper corner, then this will grab attention. The new gaming phone uses an ultra display front camera, resulting in a totally full-screen display without any cutouts or notches. According to the official introduction, the display is developed by RedMagic and BOE. The result is a screen with a pixel density of the area above the UDC matches the main screen exactly, ensuring consistent and high-quality visual experience. The RedMagic 10 Air is expected to be available in three colors: Shadow Black, Frost White, and Flame Orange. The orange has a transparent design. A part of its back is covered by transparent glass which reveals the internal structures, giving it a striking and high-tech look like nothing products. The bezel looks quite thin and screen-to-body ratio is amazing. It'll come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with 6.8-inch BOE full-screen display, 16-megapixel front camera, 50-megapixel dual camera on the back with 6000 mAh battery and support for 80 watt of charging. RedMagic, as you know, is a brand of Nubia. Its standout feature, as you know, of the Nubia phone was it has an advanced 11-layer cooling system incorporating real gold and silver platelet. And this phone will come with a very good price.